Today, we're gonna have a gardening tour around our grandma's garden. Enjoy! We're going to cut the watercress to make soup with minced pork. Where's where I cut konjai? This one. This one. Oh, big one. Shoulder. You can grow the plants by cutting the stem and then put it back in the soil, and then you water it. And then you have to water it. This is all the watercress we cut, and now we are going to make the egg soup that I love. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. The right ones are a bit yellowish ones, but must be big. The young ones are small and green. We're going to cut it now. So noisy. Smells so nice. Remember, it's only yellow color. These flowers are beautiful, and we're going to cut them and decorate our dining table. Let's smell it. It smells refreshing. Do you like the flowers? If yes, we're going to decorate it. Today I'm going to help my grandma sweep the dry leaf in her garden. Oh my gosh! I decided not to use the sweeper because it's so hot. This is how I got the sweep. After that, you must throw all the dried leaf that you took into a big garbage bag. You see? Still a lot more dry leaf that I haven't picked up yet. Bye-bye.